Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So for this video, I will be showing how I do my everyday curls. Alright, keep watching. The first step consists of misting my hair. I do have water and conditioner mixed in the bottle. I just use any conditioner I can find. A cheap conditioner is okay. I will link the conditioner I have in the description box. But I just want to kind of get my hair completely messed up. I am having trouble with my spray bottle as my good one is in school and I am home using a travel size spray bottle. So after you feel that your hair has a complete mist, the goal of the mist is so that you can easily braid your hair. After I feel this way, I'm just going to shake my hair on out. Then I will use my everyday leave-in conditioner. I will link this also in the description box as I didn't do a good job showing it. I'm going to part my hair. That's about the size of the part that you want to have. And I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner, just about that much. And you're going to just massage it into the hair until you feel it's completely moisturized. I do have dye in my hair, so it's important for me, because dye takes a lot of the moisture, it's important for I extra moisturize the dye so my hair does not break off. So I will add more than the usual amount, just so that my hair can feel nice and moisturized. Just gonna add a little bit more since like I said, my hair is dyed. I just want to make sure it is nice and moisturized. So now I'm going to break my hair up. For the front parts of my hair, I do cornrows. I will say that I'm not the best corn roller and I just get the job done. But I just do the best that I can do with corn rolling my hair, because when I corn roll those pieces, it doesn't look like my hair is too stressed from the braids starting, and it looks like the curls from my braid outs are directly from the roots of my hair rather than starting wherever I start the braid. So I'm just going to do that for my two front sections. And you want to make sure that you're getting those little pieces and not leaving any strand of hair out. And when I get to the end, I'm just going to twist it and curl it. So I'm going to do the same on this side as well. I'm going to corn roll this piece. So now I'm moving to the back portion of my head, and for the back portion I just do regular braid. So I'm starting with a middle part. The middle part is important to do for braid outs because the middle is where it shows all the volume. So I'm just going to do the same thing and take some of my leave-in and moisturize it throughout my head. As you can see, I'm starting to create my different sections, and I'm just going to regularly braid my hair for this part. And for my back sections, I usually will divide those into two parts, and I'm just going to do the same process I did for just that middle braid and moisturize my hair and create another just ordinary braid. So I have a total of 3 regular braids and 2 cornrows, creating a total of 5 on my head. I put the bonnet on and I fall asleep. So I'm just waking up. So it's about 10 right now, 10 a.m. I did my hair last night about 11, so almost like 12 hours that my hair has been sitting. So this is how my hair looks after a long night, just sleeping on it. So you just want to slowly take the braids out. So this is my hair after I take all the braids out. You see like there's some curls already, but then to get the full look, you just want to separate them. Best to do it from the root. Then I kind of just shake it up to give it its full volume. Especially at the roots, they should look really pounced up. Sorry, I'm looking like in this mirror to see myself too as I'm doing this. And this is how I do my everyday curls. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe.